their induction kit, mate, it's fucking solid, you know what I mean? You ain't got no on me at top end, you know what I mean? And I've got to give you a lot of chance, you know what I mean? You've got to catch up, otherwise what's the fun, you know what I mean? So if it fundamentally slows me down a bit during the summer months, so be it, you know what I mean? It gives you a lot of chance, and it makes me, you know what I mean, just a nicer guy, do you know what I mean? Especially with your top spec expensive cars, do you know what I mean? I can understand it, especially when you're getting passed by a car that's probably about 1,750. That's when I bought it. Fundamentally it's going up, and the mods I'm putting on this thing are absolutely absurd, you know what I mean? NGK performance spark plugs, right? Handmade red HT leads. They're the fucking bollocks, do you know what I mean? I'm even thinking about getting a power steering relocation kit just for more security, do you know what I mean? Because these engines get so hot and they're just absolutely banging, do you know what I mean? The power steering fluid, it goes black, it gets burnt out. I suppose it's just one of them in it, but I'm out here just doing fucking top spec cars. The Dots hollowed out alloys, yeah, they're banging. Look online, manufactured in Germany, light to weight ratio, they're specifically designed for racing. I'm out here doing top spec fucking cars on the daily, do you know what I mean? You just can't fundamentally beat it. I love it, you know what I mean? Don't forget the TikTok dust caps, you know what I mean? They're critical. It's all about the small details. Someone was asking earlier, they're like, oh, what's this about a throttle body space? What does it do? Well, hopefully it'll give a little bit more noise, it lets a little bit more air in the system, and it helps your bottom end torque, so watch out, I'm coming, do you know what I mean? But yeah, everyone have a banging day. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out at top end, and I'll see you all top end, innit?